Did you know about these 4 critical health risks in 2024? In the rapidly changing world of 2024, staying healthy isn't just about eating right and getting enough exercise, it's also about staying informed about the potential health risks that lurk in our everyday lives. In this video, we're going to explore 4 critical health risks that you need to be aware of: digital eye strain, increased mental health issues, poor air quality, and sedentary lifestyle. Let's start with digital eye strain. With our increasing dependency on digital devices, we're now more susceptible than ever to the ill effects of prolonged screen time. From headaches to blurred vision, digital eye strain is a silent perpetrator affecting millions worldwide. Then, there's the rise of mental health issues. The stresses of modern life, exacerbated by the ongoing pandemic, have led to a significant increase in mental health disorders. Anxiety, depression, and burnout are just a few of the conditions that are becoming increasingly commonplace. Next up is poor air quality. As urbanization continues to surge, so does air pollution. The air we breathe is becoming more toxic, leading to a host of respiratory and cardiovascular diseases. Finally, we'll delve into the sedentary lifestyle. With the shift to remote work and online education, we're sitting more than ever before. This lack of physical activity can lead to various health complications, including obesity, heart disease, and diabetes. Each of these risks is a hidden enemy, often overlooked in our busy lives. But with awareness and proactive measures, we can mitigate their impact and ensure a healthier future for ourselves and our loved ones. So, are you ready to arm yourself with crucial knowledge and take a step towards a healthier 2024? We hope so, because understanding these risks is the first step in combating them. Remember, knowledge is power, and with power comes the ability to make informed decisions for better health. Stay tuned as we dive into the first health risk: digital eye strain. In the digital age, digital eye strain has become a prevalent health risk. Let's dive into this a bit deeper. Digital eye strain, also known as computer vision syndrome, is a condition resulting from focusing the eyes on a computer or other display device for prolonged, uninterrupted periods of time. It's the physical eye discomfort felt after staring at a digital screen for over 2 hours at a time. Now, why is this a significant health risk? Well, in our tech-driven world, many of us spend countless hours glued to our digital screens, whether it's for work, study, or leisure. This constant exposure can lead to painful consequences for our eyes. So, what are the symptoms you should look out for? They could range from physical fatigue, decreased productivity, and increased numbers of work errors, to minor annoyances like eye twitching and red eyes. Some of the most common symptoms include headaches, blurred vision, dry eyes, and neck and shoulder pain. You might be thinking, well, I can't exactly quit my job or stop using digital devices altogether. And you're absolutely right. The good news is that digital eye strain can be managed and even prevented with a few simple steps. Firstly, ensure that your workstation is set up to minimize strain on your eyes. Your screen should be just below eye level and about an arm's length away. Adjusting the brightness and contrast of your screen to comfortable levels can also help. Secondly, follow the 20-20-20 rule. This means every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. This simple exercise allows your eyes to rest and refocus. Finally, don't forget to blink. It sounds silly, but blinking is often overlooked when we're engrossed in our digital screens. Blinking keeps our eyes lubricated, preventing dryness and irritation. Remember to take regular breaks from your screens. Now, onto our second health risk: increased mental health issues. Mental health issues have seen a significant increase in recent years. This isn't just an anecdotal observation, it's a fact backed by numerous studies worldwide. And while it's a global issue, it's also a deeply personal one, touching every facet of our lives from our relationships to our careers. So, why this surge? There's no one-size-fits-all answer, as mental health is a complex, multifaceted issue. However, a few key factors are often cited. First, our fast-paced, always-on society creates an environment ripe for stress and anxiety. The constant barrage of news, social media, and the pressure to be always on can leave us feeling overwhelmed and burnt out. Second, isolation and loneliness have become more prevalent. Even as we become more connected digitally, many of us feel more alone than ever. The pandemic has only exacerbated this, with social distancing putting a strain on our ability to connect with others in meaningful ways. Third, there's an increasing recognition and understanding of mental health issues. While this is a positive step forward, it also means that more people are identifying and reporting their struggles, contributing to the apparent increase. Now, it's crucial to stress the importance of seeking help and maintaining good mental health. Just as you wouldn't ignore a physical ailment, mental health concerns should also be addressed promptly. Mental health professionals, including psychologists, psychiatrists, and therapists, can provide invaluable support and treatment. Remember, taking care of your mental health isn't a sign of weakness, it's a sign of strength and self-awareness. It means recognizing when you're struggling and having the courage to seek help. And don't forget, there are also many self-care strategies you can employ, such as regular exercise, a healthy diet, adequate sleep, and mindfulness practices. Lastly, let's break down the stigma surrounding mental health. It's okay to talk about it. It's okay to ask for help. It's okay to prioritize your mental well-being. Don't forget, it's okay to ask for help. Next, we'll discuss our third health risk, poor air quality. The air we breathe is not as clean as we would like it to be. Even in 2024, despite all our technological advances, we're still grappling with the challenge of poor air quality. This invisible threat is not something we can afford to ignore, especially when it comes to our health. Air pollution has a far-reaching impact on our well-being. From minor irritations like coughing and throat discomfort, to more serious conditions such as asthma, heart disease, and even lung cancer, the effects of poor air quality are profound and concerning. Children, the elderly, and those with existing health conditions are particularly vulnerable. But it's not just outdoor air pollution we need to worry about. Indoor air quality can be up to 5 times worse than outdoor air, due to a variety of factors like inadequate ventilation, the presence of allergens, and the use of chemical cleaning products. So, how can we combat this invisible enemy and improve the air quality in our homes and workplaces? Firstly, consider investing in air purifiers or plants that naturally purify the air. Spider plants, English ivy, and snake plants are all great options. Regularly changing your air filters and maintaining your HVAC system can also go a long way in improving indoor air quality. Secondly, be mindful of the products you use at home. Opt for natural, chemical-free cleaning products and limit the use of aerosols. Thirdly, maintain good ventilation. Open your windows regularly to let fresh air in and stale air out. Lastly, if you live in a city with poor outdoor air quality, try to limit your time outside during peak pollution times, typically morning and evening rush hours. Remember, every breath we take is vital. Ensuring the air we breathe is as clean as possible is not just a luxury, but a necessity for maintaining our health in the long run. Clean air is key to good health. Finally, let's discuss our fourth health risk, sedentary lifestyle. A sedentary lifestyle has become a silent killer in our society. This statement might seem dramatic, but the reality is, our modern world has made it all too easy to fall into a pattern of inactivity, which can have serious health implications. A sedentary lifestyle is one where physical activity is minimal or non-existent, often characterized by prolonged periods of sitting or lying down. The dangers of such a lifestyle are manifold. It's linked to a host of health problems including obesity, heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and even some types of cancer. But that's not all. It can also lead to weakened muscles, poor circulation, and even mental health issues such as depression and anxiety. But here's the good news. Combating a sedentary lifestyle is not as daunting as it might sound. It's about making small, manageable changes to your daily routine. Start by setting reminders to stand up and stretch every hour, or consider investing in a standing desk. Incorporate more physical activity into your day, whether it's a brisk walk during lunch or a quick workout session in the morning or evening. It's not about becoming a fitness fanatic overnight, but rather about gradually increasing your activity levels. And remember, every little bit counts. Even small increases in physical activity can make a big difference in your overall health and well-being. Remember to move more and sit less. Let's do a quick recap of what we've discussed. So, we've covered 4 critical health risks in 2024. Let's recap. Digital eye strain can be combated by taking frequent breaks from screens. Mental health issues are on the rise, hence seeking professional help is key. Poor air quality can be tackled by investing in air purifiers and wearing masks. Lastly, to fight the sedentary lifestyle, include physical activity in your daily routine. Don't wait until it's too late. Start taking steps to mitigate these health risks today. If you found this video helpful, subscribe and share it with your friends. Stay healthy and informed with Invisible Insights.